Hello guys, today we're going to make some spicy pasta. I have listed all the ingredients in here, so screenshot it or make sure you have all these items at home. So let's get started. 2 cups of boiling water, 1 cup of pasta. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt for the taste. Make sure you read the packet of the pasta to know how long it needs to be cooked for. Add 1 spoon of oil so the pasta doesn't stick to each other. Close the lid and cook it until it says on the packet. So mine's 8 to 10 minutes, so I'm putting a timer on for 8 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, heat up a pan, add some oil, so maybe 2 teaspoons. Add 1 onion chopped or 2 shallots. Add 2 chilies chopped up. If you don't want spicy, don't add that. Add 2 ginger and garlic cubes. Now we're going to add our masalas. Half spoon of chilli, half spoon of tumeric, half a spoon of coriander powder, and half a spoon of garam masala. I'm keeping the measurement simple, so it's just all half a spoon. Mix it all very well. When it's like this, we're going to add the firecracker sauce, which is a stir-fry sauce. If you don't have that, you can add 2 to 3 spoons of hot chili sauce and 1 to 2 spoons of ketchup in there. Now we're going to add 100 grams of mixed vegetables, so I'm putting straight from frozen. Or you can microwave it and then put it in, it's your wish. I'm adding 500 grams of mushrooms. This is whatever I had left over in my freezer, so I'm just using this. I'm going to close the lid. Before that, add half a cup of water, so all of this can be cooked through. Close the lid in medium heat for 10 minutes. When it's like this, add the cooked pasta in there. Mix it all together. I'm using the twisted pasta so all the sauces and everything can get in between the pasta and it will taste nicer. But you can use any pasta you wanted. And that's it guys. Our spicy pasta is done. I hope you will have a try of this at home. And let me know what you think. And you can add a little bit of cheese if you wanted to. Just to get that texture of cheese, and I like cheese. So thank you for watching guys, and I hope you subscribe to my channel.